Mr. Marcos.
Yes,
we all know that your campaign's theme is unity. And recently, you made a statement on an issue that, would test your call for unity, because this issue is really polarizing in our country. And I'm referring to your statement on LGBTQ rights. And so my question is, there are a lot of interests that had to be balanced here, especially that even though that we are a secular country, our people, around 80% of our people have really, really strong religious beliefs, and these two things, are always contrary to each other. So my question is, how will you balance the legitimate aim of protecting the rights and welfare of LGBTQ people while at the same time respecting the legitimate interests of religious groups that they can freely pursue their belief on this matter?
I don't think LGBTQ issues are polarizing in the Philippines, honestly. I think we are much more open-minded about it, considering the fact that we are in fact a very Roman Catholic country. But then you must, and so that I don't think it's polarizing at all. I think Filipinos are, I don't know how to put it, but we're much cooler than most other places when it comes to these things. And I think when I talk to the members of that community, wala namang hinihingi na special treatment ang mga LGBTQ. Wag lang do not discriminate against us. Yun lang naman yun eh. We don't want a special program for you, for ourselves. You have to want to, do something. Just patas lang. Patas lang, pare-pareho lang. Na kahit LGBTQ kami, kahit matanda kami, kahit come from the wrong place, I don't know, whatever. All forms of discrimination are some things that we have to guard against, because that's corrosive. That just gets in the way. It doesn't help. It doesn't help anything. So that, I think, is the approach to LGBTQ issues: is just fight discrimination every step of the way. There's a pool of talent in every sector of our society that we need to take advantage of, and so we cannot exclude any part and say, hindi pwede yan, hindi na ayaw namin sa ganyan. And let me get to the point. I mean, LGBTQ, Roman Catholic, you say that it's wrong. What did the Pope say when he was asked about same-sex marriage? Same-sex union. Let me correct myself. Same-sex union. And I think the Pope said it perfectly. Who am I to judge? And that's the attitude that all of us should have. And with that, I think we'll go down the correct place. We will go down the right path.
Yeah, I think this
Sorry,
will be...
Professor Carlos, I know that you warned me about senior citizen losing their train of thought, but I have been instructed to go on a commercial break. So we'll start off. Yes, we'll start the next round with your question.
Okay.
I promise that. Yeah.